This is a continuation of part 4. Which material should I use? Here, let's talk about Codals. It is always an advantage to know Codals by heart. However, it also depends on the subject matter, whether memorizing Codal provisions will be a good return on your limited time. Memorizing the Codal provisions of the following laws will be the best return on your time. Labor, civil, commercial, remedial. For political law, it's better to understand the history of the Constitution, proper interpretations of particular phrases in Codal provisions according to jurisprudence and constitutionalists, and be able to apply concepts only discussed in jurisprudence. Check out Straight to the Point, the best political law reviewer. It has concisely written annotations from 10 renowned authors, concise digests of landmark cases, and even full notes from the discussions of political law professors not found in any other book. See our Facebook page in the description below. For tax law, Codals would be more helpful if you have a general understanding of everything and you can explain the concepts thereof and remember the percentages. Do not get lost in the details. Do not get lost in memorizing the endless enumerations. Example: you need to be able to concisely define input and output VAT, but being able to enumerate sales of electricity by generation companies, telephone and telegraph, other enumerations, etc. will not help you at all. For criminal law, Codals are helpful for topics under Criminal Law 1. However, for Criminal Law 2, it would be a better investment of time to look for a reviewer that provides you with just the elements of the crime. Plus, in stating the elements of a crime, you can use keywords or phrases. Example, for treason: Filipino plus levies war plus adheres to enemies plus giving aid and comfort. For ethics, just memorize the lawyer's oath, flowery words, and synonyms thereof. Figure out how to say that one should be a good lawyer in as many ways as possible. In our next video, we'll be tackling note-taking and past bar exams. Take a deep breath and subscribe if you found this useful. Thanks for watching.